Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about agricultural pollution. This is the topic of BSc 6th SEM paper 2nd. So I am D.N. Lanjevar, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Yashwantrao Chauhan, Art, Commerce and Science College, Lakhandur. So let us start. What is agricultural pollution? Farming practices that leads to the contamination or degradation of the ecosystem due to agricultural pollutants are referred to as agricultural pollution. शेती करत असताना कुठल्याही रॉंग प्रॅक्टिसेस की ज्याच्यामुळे पर्यावरण आणि एकूणच इकोसिस्टम आणि मानवी आरोग्य यांना हानी जर पोहोचत असेल तर त्याला आपण म्हणू ॲग्रिकल्चरल पोल्युशन. Agricultural pollutants are any biotic or abiotic byproducts of the farming practices that leads to agricultural pollution. Agricultural pollution shows harmful effects on humans and on ecosystem. So in this video, we will learn causes, effect and control measures of agricultural pollution. So let us see causes of agricultural pollution. So there are many causes of agricultural pollution which may be considered as the wrong practices in agriculture. So what are that? Let us see one by one. Number one, excessive use of pesticides and herbicides. Number two, use of large amounts of fertilizers. Number three, contaminated water. Number four, heavy metals. Number 5, soil erosion. Number 6, wrong animal management. Number 7, improper manure management. Number 8, introduced or invasive species. Number 9, genetically modified organisms. Number 10, improper land management. And number 11, greenhouse gases from fecal waste of animals. So these are some causes of agricultural pollution. So let us see in details. Excessive use of pesticides and herbicides. So pesticides and herbicides contain many chemicals which are harmful to ecological system. These chemicals are washed through the soil in the groundwater and thus contaminate it and thus responsible for agricultural pollution. So in this video, in this picture, you can see excessive use of pesticides and herbicide which is responsible for death of the fishes. So this is responsible for agricultural pollution. Use of large amount of fertilizers. An excessive use of fertilizers leads to a contamination of rivers and lakes with nitrates and phosphates, which also contaminate the groundwater and thus harms the whole ecosystem including human, plants and animals and thus responsible for agricultural pollution. So the excessive use of fertilizers can also leads to agricultural pollution. Number 3, use of contaminated water. The use of contaminated water for agricultural purposes can cause the crops being contaminated with chemicals and harmful elements like lead or even mercury. In turn, these crops are used by humans as well as to feed animals and thus can harm both and thus use of contaminated water can cause agricultural pollution. Number 4, heavy metals. The accumulation of heavy metals with fertilizers can lead to the contamination of the groundwater and may thus harm animals, plants or humans and thus it is also cause of an agricultural pollution. Number 5, soil erosion. Soil erosion can be regarded as a natural form of agricultural pollution which can also be harmful to the environment. Number 6. Wrong animal management. Wrong animal management can also cause agricultural pollution. Number 7. Improper manure management. If the manure is not treated in a proper or environmental friendly fashion, it can lead to agricultural pollution. Number 8. Introduced species. Through the increased globalization of the agriculture, new invasive species have been established. These invasive species can carry pests and diseases which can harm the local ecosystem and thus responsible for agricultural pollution. Number 9. Genetically modified organisms. The use of genetically modified organisms in the form of crops can result in genetic contamination of the local native species of the plant. This could lead to the extinction of the native species and thus cause agricultural pollution. Number 10. Improper land management. A bad land management leads to an irreversible decline in soil fertility and thus responsible for agricultural pollution. And number 11. Greenhouse gases from the fecal waste of animals. Higher number of farm animals causes an increase in the production of greenhouse gases like methane and carbon dioxide and thus responsible for agricultural pollution. So these are some causes of agricultural. Now let us see effect of agricultural pollution. So there are different effects of agricultural pollution on human health and other organisms, other living organisms as well as our ecosystem. So let us see one by one. Number 1, effect on human health. Number 2, eutrophication. Number 3, decrease in crop yield. Number 4, soil pollution. Number 5, air pollution. Number 7, destruction of biodiversity. Number 6, destruction of biodiversity. Number 7, water pollution. Number 8, effect on animals. Number 9, effect on plants. And number 10, effect on aquatic life. So let us see one by one. Number 1, effect on human health. Pesticides, ammonia, heavy metals, fertilizers and oils from farms and farm machinery pose serious health problems. Nitrates from the contaminated water cause blue baby syndrome which leads to infant fatality. Number 2, eutrophication. Increased level of chemical nutrients in aquatic system, nitrogen and phosphorus from manures and fertilizers gives rise to eutrophication. Eutrophication extensively depletes dissolved oxygen which can kill fish and other aquatic biotes. Number 3, decrease in crop yield. Since toxic chemicals used in agriculture remain in the soil for years, they kill soil microorganisms and as well as beneficial insects, thus decrease soil fertility and crop yield. Number 4, soil pollution. Some chemicals of pesticides can cause long-lasting damage to the soil and leads to soil pollution. Number 5, air pollution. Agricultural pollution also leads to air pollution. Many machines used for agricultural purposes emit harmful gases like carbon dioxide, which is responsible for air pollution. Number 6, destruction of biodiversity. The use of pesticides in agriculture can kill many insects and other small animals, which in turn can lead to a reduction in biodiversity. Number 7, water pollution. Excessive use of fertilizers and pesticides leads to water pollution. Number 8, effect on animals. Beneficial insects are heavily affected by pesticides and can even die from the consumption of contaminated crops. Effect on plants. Agricultural pollution can become a problem for parts of the local plants since invasive species could impact the population of native species in an adverse way, which in turn can change the dynamics of the whole ecosystem. Number 10, effect on aquatic life. Excessive use of fertilizers can contaminate river with an excessive supply of nitrates and phosphates, which can cause the death of fishes and other water animals. So these are different effects of agricultural pollution on human health and other organisms as well as ecosystem. Now let us see the control measures of agricultural pollution. So there are different steps to control agricultural pollution. So we have to remember that the causes which are responsible for agricultural pollution, the solution of that causes can be the control measures. So number one, reduce the use of fertilizers and pesticides. Number two, avoid soil erosion by planting all over the year. Number three, plant trees or grasses along the edges of the field. Number 4, adjust the intensity of the tillage of a field. Number 5, improve manure management. Number 6, change our consumption behavior. Number 7, prevent excessive nutrients from reaching the water. Number 8, raise the awareness of the farmers. Number 9, educate the childrens and the peoples about agricultural pollution. And number 10, convince others to avoid agricultural pollution. So these are some different control measures for agricultural pollution. So let us conclude. Agricultural pollution can be seen as a serious problem to the environmental system. It affects humans, animals, plants, and also our water cycle in an adverse way. There are many factors that cause agricultural pollution. The main factor that contributes heavily to agricultural pollution is the excessive use of fertilizers and pesticides. If the awareness on this topic, that is agricultural pollution, is increased in our society, we can help to reduce agricultural pollution. So in this way, we learn about agricultural pollution, that is introduction, causes, effect and control measures of the agricultural pollution. So we will meet in our next video. Thank you.